In this video, we're going to talk about parallel and relative minor keys. Now, each major key has a unique parallel and relative minor. A major key and its parallel minor key share the same tonic or the same starting pitch. It's kind of like me and my identical twin brother. We have the same parents and we started out living in the same town, but we still have distinctive characteristics. Likewise, the distinctive characteristic of the parallel minor is that it has a different key signature than its corresponding parallel major key. Now, for example, if we're in C major, the parallel minor is C minor. The key signature for C major is no sharps or flats, and if we remember our circle of fifths for minor keys, we'll know that C minor has 3 flats. So we have the parallel minor sharing the same tonic but different key signatures. Let's try one more. Let's say we're in E major. So let me write the key signature for E major. And the parallel minor is E minor. Same tonic, same starting pitch, but the key signature for E minor is just 1 sharp. Parallel minor, same tonic, different key signature. Now, each key also has a relative minor key. Now, unlike the parallel minor, the relative minor does not share the same tonic or the same starting pitch, but is still related in a significant way. It's kind of like my cousin, who is a pirate who lives in the South Pacific. We're still related, but we don't have the same parents, we didn't grow up in the same hometown. So the relative minor doesn't have the same tonic, but it does share the same key signature as its relative major. Now, this is very important. The major key and its relative minor have the same key signature. Let's see how this works. So how do we find the relative minor of a major key? Well, if we are in the key of B major right here, all we do is go down a third from the tonic, and here we get a G sharp, and G sharp is our relative minor. So our relative minor is always a minor third below our tonic. Let's try one more time. Say we're in the key of F major, 1 flat. If we go down a third below the tonic, we get D. So D minor is the relative minor of F major. And if you were to look on your minor key circle of fifths, you would notice that D minor indeed has 1 flat. And G sharp minor indeed has 5 sharps. So in closing, there are 2 important things to remember from this video. One is that a major key and its parallel minor share the same tonic but have different key signatures, while major key and its relative minor have the same key signature but different tonics. By watching this video and the video that Professor Graff made, you should have no problem doing homework 7A. See you in class.